Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you what I'm going to be using for my next design team project for Country Craft Creations. I received the fabulous Charlotte's Friends collection. This is an animal-themed collection, lots of spring images in here. Let me just take you through so you can see for yourself. So first of all, we'll look at the different cut-aparts. So lots of rabbits. There is an adorable pig wearing a hat. More rabbits, ducks, bunnies, kitty cat, a beagle, cat in nice house, carrots. I mean, it's just adorable. And of course, there is a second sheet of cut-aparts that is already stamped. All you have to do is pull them out. And there you go with the cut-aparts. So you get two sheets of that. So if I didn't want to use these, the back of that sheet has this wood-grained paper. So there is that. And this is, of course, the 12 by 12 collection. You also get two sheets of this. These are the cut-aparts. So you'll get 4 by 6 cut-aparts. Oh, isn't he handsome? More 4 by 6. These are 3 by 4. Look at that bunny. Isn't it adorable? And then a couple of rows of some border strips. And then the back of that, since again there is two, are these adorable bunnies. Here is another, and the rest of these, you get 3 sheets of each. And only after this, I'll only show you one. So let me move this aside. So here we have a duck, and on the side of this one is a bunny. On the side of this duck is a beagle wearing a cloak, which is just adorable. Look, beagle wearing a dress here. And look at that beautiful alcove door. I have some great ideas on a couple of things I want to do with this. So this will be so much fun. And there's the back. So it's the green print, and it's already been distressed, I guess is the best way to put it. So a nice spring green color. Here's another page. So this is kitty cats in these little cars. And then here is more cats. And then there is this print in the back, which here's the print. Just a bunch of animals and farm scenes. It's really neat. It's going to be hard to decide which I will use the most, the back of this or the front. I mean, these images are adorable. So here is, it looks like a family of beagles in a very pastoral setting, nice farmland, some spring flowers there. Sort of, I mean, pretty greens, but a little muted. Oh, and then here is that same scene, but without the beagles. I would love to have this just like as the window. If I'm parked somewhere where I don't like the view, I'll just put that in the window. Okay, here's the next one. So here is a pig making a cake, and I'm not sure what that is. I hate to say weasel because they denote negativity, but I think, oh no, I guess it's another pig. So a pig making something with strawberries. That looks yummy. A couple of different dishes and jugs alongside it. Oh, that cake is making me hungry. So those are fabulous. And then here is the back side of that. Again, pink with a little bit of distressing on it. Now this is so cute. This, a frog with a hat. This frog is sitting on a stone, I guess waiting to go fishing. And there's the fishing creel. So love the frogs. Love the frogs. And then the back side of that is, again, sort of that, not black and white, but the green and white illustrations. Really pretty, really fun. This is another cute scene. So here is a couple of bunnies. There's a mama bunny fixing up the other one. Here's one eating carrots up here on top of the steps, and then this one's coming down with these beautiful flowers amongst a landscape cottage. That would be the kind of place I would love to live in. Oh, how pretty that is. And here we have some more bunnies. I think that's a bunny. And this time it's got a pink background, and then it's the same here with the pink background and the different um, illustrations. I like that. Isn't that nice next to each other? I think that is fabulous. And then this is adorable. This is some ducks with some spring flowers. The colors of this, the blue and the yellow and the green, is just striking. And then there's a blue check. So again, there's 3 of each of these. I just took them out just to make it easier to go through. And this is the 12 by 12. And I also received the 8 by 8. So I'll probably do a companion piece, maybe use this and then the background. This, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I have to sit and think on it a little bit. But that is Charlotte's Friends. It's exclusive to Country Craft Creations. It's the only place you can get it. I will put the link in the description box of the 8 by 8 and the 12 by 12 so you can check that out. I also wanted to show you a couple other things. So, also got this, which let me just grab one of the papers, maybe the one with the cut aparts. Yeah. I mean, look at how pretty these are with all of that. The colors are just beautiful. So this is a set of Prima flowers. It is full bloom, or in full bloom is the set. There's a couple of buds in the purple, and then you get 2 of the yellow, 2 of the salmon colored, and then the purple, which matches with the buds. So that's really pretty. And oh, wait till you see this. These are adorable. So this is a Buttons Galore Easter collection with ducks and bunnies. So can you see all those? So there's a gray bunny, a couple of yellow ducks, brown bunnies. There's a shiny brown shiny brown bunny button. Say that 3 times fast. And then to go along with that, I will be using, in case you want to run to Country Craft Creations and order this now, the Artisan Linen Cardstock in Natural. That's going to go very nicely with this paper. I think that's just striking. So stay tuned. I will have a design team project for you pretty soon. So if you haven't received this paper, if you haven't gone to Country Craft Creations and purchased it, again, I'll put the link in the description box. Go get it now. I'll also be doing sort of a second project will have some Easter tones to it. The first one will be just springy, but the second one will be sort of Eastery-ish. So, and even this would be great just to make cards with. I mean, look at that. This and the cut aparts. Wouldn't that be so much fun to make cards with that? So anyhow, that is what I received from Country Craft Creations for my design team project. Don't forget to check out the other products they have. The paper line from Country Craft Creations is gorgeous. This again was Charlotte's Friends from Country Craft Creations. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.